Hey guys, it's Frank from Cruising with Wheels. It's Saturday, June 2nd, and we're up already. We're still at the Best Western Seattle Airport Hotel, and in a couple hours, we're going to head over to the NCL Bliss. I'm sitting here, and I'm working on my diary. I've already got a story of a Tales from the High Seas. Now this hotel, you know, it's pretty good. It's basic. We thought it was a good value for one night. It has a free shuttle service from the airport to the hotel. And today they offer a shuttle service from the hotel to the Port of Seattle. It was only $17 per person. Not sure whether we're going to take it or not based on the time that it leaves, but still think it's a good value. Kevin's going to show you what the room looks like.
So this particular room is room 104. They have a standard key card system. And as we enter the room, immediately on your left is a bathroom. It has a huge countertop, good water pressure, toilet. There were plenty of towels. I already took my shower. And a full bathtub and shower enclosure. Now, they do have, apparently, handicap rooms here. Handicap accessible rooms here. Not quite sure why they put us in here, but that's okay. It works. Our bathroom at home has a shower tub enclosure like that, so it works. There's a closet area, an ironing board, which I've already availed myself of. And those of you that have been asking on our packing series that came out today, we will not be ironing the dirty clothes and putting them back in the suitcase. It does have a dresser, a minibar fridge. Bless you. A nice sized TV. There's plenty of room. Air conditioning unit. Queen size bed. I believe you can get kings. Queen is fine for us. And a nice little area over there where you saw Frank. You see Frank over there working away. Oh, Frank, what's that thing there?
What? This?
What's that called? Yeah.
That's a coffee.
Or the coffee maker.
It's a coffee maker, and in the room, it came with a basket of 4 of these Seattle Best coffee packages. Mm-hmm. And in the package, it actually has the container with the coffee pod, and you just take the container and slide it in the coffee maker, fill it with water, push the button, and here's your packets with the usual, you know, powdered creamer and sugar and stir, and you also got some tea. So we have already, as you can see, availed ourselves of our free coffee in the morning. I whipped out my Pop-Tart for my snack bag, you know. Free breakfast.
Yeah, you guys, we're going to go to free breakfast after this. Frank's going to take a shower, get dressed. We're going to go to the free breakfast. They have, what did you say? They had eggs?
Yeah, it's a free hot breakfast where they do eggs and I don't know what else they have, but it's a typical cereal and bagels and muffins and eggs and, you know, I don't know if they'll have sausages, bacon, or whatever, but it is from 5:30 to 9:30.
We'll show you when we get there.
Right there off of the front desk. It was very convenient because that's where we had dinner last night.
I want to show you our view. So all of you that book, if you decide to book a room here at the Best Western Airport, what's it called? There's
Best Western Seattle Airport on International Boulevard.
There'll be a link below. I'll put a link in this video. But he made this big deal about, oh, I'm going to put you in a courtyard view. So I'm going to send you over here, bring you over here, and I'm going to show you, this is our courtyard view. So if you request a courtyard view, make sure they don't give you room 104 because as you can see, the courtyard is over there. So I guess technically we have a view of the courtyard through the filthy windows, but mostly our view is of this rooftop. So for right now, from myself and Frank, hello.
Hi, oh, sorry.
From myself and Frank, from
Cruising with Whales.
We want to remind you that we have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Of course, you want to subscribe to this channel, right?
Click, click, click.
And we were interacting with all of our fans, right? While I was on the plane yesterday. So if you haven't subscribed to Twitter, what did I say? Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, then you're missing out on special content that we have just for those platforms. Hey guys, now you get to see me today. So the breakfast here is pretty good. It is a hot breakfast. I got sausages, eggs, and hash browns. But they actually have pancakes, oatmeal, waffles, strawberries, juices, muffins. It's pretty good. Very, very surprised. Oh, those aren't hash browns. Those are home fries. Home fries. But like I said, I promised I'd show you. So there it is.
We're in our car service. We just got picked up at the hotel, and we're on our way to Pier 66 to board the NCL Bliss. See ya when we get there.